Right, bro. So we've got the Joe horse set up. This wee bad boy set up. Don't even think it's ready, but I'm just going to carve something in that, stick it in the front garden just to let people know what I'm at. That's a fisher. We have electric, bro. Fucking wood's too wet. Piece of shit. How's it going, folks? Wee quick update. As you can see, wee bit of progression now in the old carving tent. Got the electric in, so we're all good to go now. Got my wee burrs brought out. These wee selection metal working burr. That's the Dremel 125 burning bit. Big Kutzall. And then the wee roto zip for some details. And then we'll have the draper with a Kutzall 1/8 bit on it. Extreme flame bar. Then we'll have the die grinder here. It has an original flame bar on it. And then we'll have the angle grinder. And it's got the extreme shaping disc on it. And then of course we've got the safety gloves, safety goggles, and the safety mask. So we're ready for tomorrow. The chainsaw's down the wee shed. I'll grab it tomorrow at some stage here, but apart from that, all good, folks. Everything's ready to go. I've done a wee pre-tester carving today. Just a quick one. I'll do the details on him tomorrow. It's in a wee bit of holly. So I'll detail that tomorrow using a roto zip. Maybe try that 125 Dremel bit to see if it burns it. But all good, guys. That is a carving tent. It's coming together. That's my wee bench I have for now. That'll do the job. And that's the floor there. It's going down soon. Have these logs, have to seal them up, and that's just out wood I had drying out there for. It's been drying for over a year. So it's all good. It's a wee chill out spot. And that's where we're at tomorrow. So just a wee quick update, like I say. I've got these bad boys that start trying out now. Can't wait to do that shaping dish, see what I can get done with that, because I never really got using that. A die grinder, I only ever used it with a flex shaft, and the flex shaft is a piece of sugar. And then this here's a gift I got, so I haven't really got using this, so it'll be good. Like I say, got the bits ready to go. The electric ready to go, so all good, guys. Just a wee quick update on the old outdoor carving tent. We'll see what we get done now.